안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will discuss vocabulary from 21 to 40. If you did not watch the video of 1 to 20, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. From 21 to 40. Our first word is father. Aboji. Aboji. Mother. Omoni. Omoni. Nose. Kho. Kho. This is our aspirated consonant. Kho. Hobby. Chimi. Chimi. Our first syllable is a consonant ch, and then we use double consonant we, chi, me, chi me. Hat. Moja. Moja. Hospital. Pyongwon. Pyongwon. As you can see, the ing consonant is used two times. As it is used in the end, it sounds ing, pyong, pyong. But as it is used in the start, it is silent. Then we used double consonant wo, and then nian, one, pyongwon, bathroom. 화장실. Pizza. Pizza. There is no F sound in Korean, that is why we use P sound. Pizza. Apple. Sagwa. Flour. Khot. First we use double consonant. The voice is k, and then o, ko, and then shiut. As I told you earlier, if the chiot used in the end of any word, it sounds t. Khot, clothes. Ot. Same like chioch, if the shiot is used in the end, it sounds t, not s. T. Ot. Person. Saram. Restaurant. Shikdang. Mirror. Khoul. Passport. Yogwan. Mountain. Sun. Family. Khajok. Umbrella. Usan. Towel. Sukhon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends, and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.